nature. There's something magical about it. When you get to spend time in nature, it really enhances your mental health and mental being. Guess what? This weekend, I'm going camping, and you are joining me. It's gonna be a fun experience. Let's go. I'm going camping. Let me take you along on the experience. Let's go. I arrived on Friday and started setting up the whole tent situation. After a little bit of time of setting up, it started to get dark. When it gets dark, I can't record. Let me explain. Sabbath, which is the 7th day of the week, Saturday, Jewish people rest. They don't really use technology, they just sit and spend time with others. So that's why I couldn't record. I'll see you Sunday. Good morning, everybody. I started the day by sitting and watching the water. There's something so peaceful by watching water flow with its natural rhythm. Me walking barefoot. What's the deal? On camera, you don't really see me walk barefoot. But in real life, I walk barefoot a lot, without shoes, without socks. Even my shoes are barefoot shoes. Why? There is something when you walk in nature that grounds you. That feeling is so amazing. You could be a kid again. Yes, your feet will get dirty, so wash it. There is something really beautiful in walking barefoot. Try it for yourself. New York, and I'm gonna go to Pennsylvania just to pick up a rock. Let's go. Yes, I'm going from New York all the way to Pennsylvania just to pick up one rock. Obviously, it's a far way, so I had to start with running. I even had to run in the deep, deep water. After running some more, here is really what happened. New York and Pennsylvania are pretty close to each other. There's just a small water in between. If I take my kayak and I pass the water, I technically went from New York all the way to Pennsylvania. The biggest mistake I did is I took a 2-man kayak by myself, so the weight wasn't balanced. So what happened is I kept on going in circles. But if you keep on going in circles long enough, eventually you'll get to the other side. If you don't try, you don't know. All we gotta do is get there and pick up a rock, and then we heading back to New York. We're going to Pennsylvania to pick up a rock from New York. Let's go. Hey guys, we got to Pennsylvania on this side. Now we gotta go get a rock. Let's grab a rock. I got a rock. We're going back to New York. I got the rock from Pennsylvania all the way to New York. And now it's here. There's something so beautiful in being grounded, being with your inner child. It's okay to do things that are happy, that are fun, that sometimes even look silly. Because being with yourself is so peaceful and so relaxing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you will probably enjoy this next one. So give it a watch.